Hey, what's up everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day out there today. Hey, listen, today is kind of an exciting day for me because I just got home from work and I found out that FedEx just dropped the snake off at the hub for me to pick up. So I'm gonna go pick up the snake and do an unboxing video for you guys and let you check out this animal. So I don't think I'll be driving the Corvette today. The price of gas right now is ridiculous, like $5 a gallon. So yeah, we'll take something that's a little bit more fuel efficient. I guess it's the Durango's the way to go. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Oh, looks like Lisa was the last one to drive this. The seat's all the way forward. I can't drive this thing like that. Oh well, guess I'm forced to take the car. You know what that means? Cold start. Yeah! Can your Tesla do that? I bet it can't. Bet it can't do it. Just saying. Okay, we're all ready to roll. So the GPS says we should be there in about 32 minutes. So I'm guessing about 15 minutes we'll be there. So I'm not even sure which snake. To be honest with you, she's the one that ordered the snake. There was about 4 or 5 different ones that I was looking at, and it didn't really matter to me. I wanted all of them, to be honest with you. So I told her to make the final decision so I can be surprised with the whole thing. But she told me not to unbox it until she gets home from work. So I don't know if I'll be able to wait that long, but I'll try. We'll see what happens. What'd you guys say? Oh, you wanna see a 40 to 120 pool? Okay, well you're in luck. We just got to Mexico, so let's go for it. Here we go, guys. I made it. I'm gonna run in there and grab this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the package here with me. I got a good idea of what it is because I see who it's from, so I can't help myself. I'm gonna have to take a peek in here. So would you do me a favor? I'm gonna unbox this later at home, so would you do me a favor, act surprised with me in front of Lisa? I don't know how well it's gonna work because my acting really sucks, but let's take a look. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I know it's one of 2 animals. There's 2 of them I was looking at from this guy. Let's see what's in the bag. Okay. Oh, man. What? Oh, come on. Whoa! Yes. Oh man, this thing is crazy. Holy cow. Oh man. Wow, I'm in love. Take a look at this, guys. Holy cow, it's the Xanthic Pied. Look at the color on that. Holy cow, that thing's beautiful. Man, what a stud. Wow, he's got some size to him too. This got to be ready to breed in no time. Oh my goodness. She did good. Wow. Now I got to figure out how I'm going to act surprised when I get home. Whoa. All right, guys. Let me put this snake away and we'll get up the road and go home and do another unboxing. Sit your butt down back there and we will. Sit down, calm down, okay? All right, so I just made it home. So thanks for coming along with me. Take this inside. As much as I'd like to take this snake out and really check it out, I got to keep it in the box till she gets here so we can act surprised when I unbox it. Hey, kitty. What you doing, kitty? Say hello. Hello. There you go. Good job. All right. So, gonna take this inside. All right, so I'll just leave it right here on the counter. What do you guys think? That doesn't look like it's been tampered with at all, does it? Okay, so time for the unboxing at last.
Wait a minute, it looks like you already opened that. That was way too easy. You did not.
Well, I did because I had to, before I left
I told you not to.
I know, but I had to open the box to make sure he was moving. I didn't look to see what was in it yet.
Oh, okay. How do you know it's a he?
Oh.
You were looking at a boy and
okay,
a girl.
I might have peeked in there already. So
okay,
anyway, this is from Adam Chesla.
Ah.
Here.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
No excitement there.
Nope, no.
Oh shit. Over the top.
All
that
right.
never happens around here.
So there he is.
Hot dog. Would you look at that?
Xanthic Pied. Ain't he pretty?
What you think about him?
Oh,
He's
I love
beautiful,
him.
isn't he?
Oh my goodness.
Wowzers.
It's gorgeous. What is that? You want everybody to like and subscribe to my channel? Did you hear him? Would you do that for me, guys? He wants you to like and subscribe. I appreciate it.
Bye, guys.